Hello friends, let's get crafting. This is a Royal Check Trivet from Mackenzie Childs' website for $48. I wanted to duplicate this, so I went to Dollar Tree and I got a $1 one, a little trivet. And I am just cleaning it off. I'm actually just sanding it with some sanding paper, and then I'm going to clean it off with rubbing alcohol to make sure I get all the dried paint and everything out of the scratches. I am applying some Folk Art Cottage White paint, and it is not a chalk paint, it's just a regular acrylic paint, and I applied 3 coats of that and allowed it to dry in between coats. These are the blues I chose for my trivet. It's navy blue and Copen blue from Ceramcoat. If you look on the site of Mackenzie Childs, it looks like they use a blend of colors, not just a solid blue. And I'm just going slowly and using the paintbrush to kind of make the squares. Just take your time and try and gap things evenly. And this little trivet was very enjoyable. It was relaxing to do this. I recommend it, and use the color you choose. They do have blue and black on the site. I just went with this because, of our nailed it or failed it challenge, and I wanted to, make it look just like the other one as close as I could. So I went with the blue, and it was really actually a lot of fun. And then just try and keep things in line. I don't believe that they do any marking out with masking tape or anything like that. I think they just do it, by hand. Otherwise, it gets to look a little bit too perfect. Here, I've gotten through all of my squares, and I allowed this to dry. And then I didn't have the gold, which is what Mackenzie Childs' website says they have on there. I had a copper, but they're pretty close, and especially once it dried, you really couldn't tell, the difference. So I just took a regular paint little brush there, and I just painted it on and went, again, nice and slow, and went along the edges. This is the Nailed It or Failed It challenge, and I am happy to be participating with this with Mama Dares to DIY. Carrie is a sweet lady. She's got fun crafts, and she's very good at teaching. Please check out her channel. Her co-host is Keisha at Sweet Urban Rose, another very talented crafter with beautiful decor and ideas. Please check out her channel as well. These ladies, I want to thank them both for hosting our Nailed It or Failed It challenge. This is the tissue box cover for Mackenzie Childs, $78. And they didn't have a blue one, but I could have swore I saw a blue one. Anyway, I went with the blue color again. This is a tissue box. It's wooden from Hobby Lobby. I painted it again with the white acrylic paint and allowed it to dry in between coats, and then just again using that brush and starting with the squares. This one wasn't as easy as the little trivet. Some of my squares got a little big. I tried my best to just keep things lined up, but it isn't perfect. But I don't think the Mackenzie Childs ones are either, because they're all handmade and unique on their own. I did enjoy doing this, and I do encourage you to try doing these if you like that style. It was a lot of fun, and it really didn't cost that much. And if you felt like putting some acrylic to spray on top of it when you're all done painting, just to seal things in, I would say that's a good idea. You could do that, and it would stay a long time. This might be a project that I paint over in a different way. I really, really like the trivet. I'm not so sure how much I really enjoyed the tissue box. I'll keep it for a while, but I might do something different with it in the future, and so that's why I chose not to put any acrylic spray on top of it. I do not know the name of that brush, but that is another thing to kind of look for, is that flat brush. Again, a review of what we had. This is the Trivet, that was the tissue box, and this is what I came up with. A little close-up of what I've got there. They did turn out pretty cute. I'm proud of what I did. I hope you enjoy my video. And I hope you say I nailed it, because I did try. I especially think I nailed it with the Trivet, but I'll let you decide that. And that's what a Trivet's for. Put a little money in there. I thank you so much for stopping in and checking this channel out. You have a wonderful day and take care. Bye-bye.